Cam is good. Airspeed's alive. Climbing at 100. Fuel lights gear up.
Cherokee 75 Whiskey, how high are you going to climb?
We're going to 7,500.
Roger.
Everything okay, Kendra?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
First flight ever.
I think your vent might be open back there.
No, it's not.
It's not? Okay.
Not
Not sure where it's coming from.
Coming up behind the door here, it feels like.
Well, we don't have a door on this side.
Well, there's a crack here.
A crack?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming out of that gap.
Yeah, the gap.
Okay. Don't say crack. Unless you really mean it.
There's like a fissure in the window.
I'm surprised there's not more airplane traffic today.
It's a big holiday.
Yeah, it's a holiday and it's pretty nice weather.
Yeah.
I don't know, I mean, not long ago you weren't able to land, so
Yeah, right.
maybe people will start flying soon.
Well, it was just over Paine Field. There was like a little storm cloud, right? Everywhere else was clear.
Funny.
So we're gonna fly that way and then make 2 right turns and land going this way.
What'd you say?
That was awesome.
What's up?